Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can apply for the GitHub Student Developer Pack. So let's get started. First, open any browser on your computer and go to Google. In the search bar, type GitHub Student Developer Pack and press Enter. Click on the official GitHub link that appears in the search results. This pack is designed specifically for students and provides free access to a wide range of professional developer tools, software, and learning resources to help you build and improve your technical skills. Once you're on the official GitHub page, look for the option that says Sign up for Student Developer Pack. Click on it to begin the application process. You'll then see a button to start your application. Next, select your role in education, such as student, and complete the verification process. Since this offer is only available to students, you'll need to provide proof of enrollment. This may include using a valid student email address or uploading documentation that confirms your student status. Make sure all the information you provide is accurate to avoid delays. After submitting your application, you'll need to wait for GitHub to review and verify your details. Once approved, you'll gain access to all the tools and benefits included in the GitHub Student Developer Pack. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.